everyone, this is Parita here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here in Lagos, Portugal. We reached here at 11:30 or 12 in midnight last night. The bus stop was just 300 meters from our hotel that we are staying. You can see there behind me, it's called Tivoli. It's a 4-star property and the prices in Lagos are much cheaper compared to Barcelona and Madrid. We paid somewhere around 10,000 rupees per night for a room in a 4-star hotel, and it includes breakfast. This is the beautiful corridor of the hotel. Tivoli is a franchise of hotels across Europe, and along with free breakfast, we also had access to the pool free of cost, and the beds there itself. We also had free access to the shuttle service to the beach, which was running at least 5 to 10 times a day to and fro. If you want to relax at the beach, there's nothing else there. I think I've not been there. It's a beautiful fireplace here in the video on the right side, you can see. Beautiful place to relax. There's a bar on the first floor, and this is where you have to go to have your breakfast. One of my favorite places is this balcony right beside the breakfast place, and here you have views of the Lagos city as well as the pool view. It was very cold in April 2023, so we could not sit here to have a breakfast, but I'm sure it's going to be even prettier during summers. Beautiful wooden rooftops, and the sky doesn't stop to amaze me here. The breakfast spread was amazing, even for a vegetarian like me. There were a lot of jams, there were a lot of breads. Like the option of bread itself were like 4 to 5, along with jams, fruits. There were a lot of local fruits as well, and everything tasted fresh. Here there's cereal, milk, tea, coffee. Options for non-vegetarians. There's different kinds of meat, eggs. Lot of salad, cheeses, various kinds of cheeses, not only one. And here are the breads that I was talking about. They were really tasty. They also have a toaster and Nutella. On the last day, we left for the bus stop 200 meters from our hotel, took a bus to Lisbon, and this is the area how it looks like. And I hope your bus is also here, but you really need to ask people around. So we are just getting out of the bus stop now, and the bus, like how that one says Rede Expresso, this one was supposed to be Mandile, but the bus says Renex. The bus number was 92 for me, and this bus was 92. So just don't see the provider bus company name on the bus like this, but check the number before getting in. Otherwise we would have missed our bus as well, thinking the next one is going to come after this. This is the bus stop, which is just 200 meters from our hotel, and this kind man was helping everybody out, but he was talking in Portuguese. Yeah, just ensure, talk to people, talk to the people who are getting in the bus, and we will be there. Yeah, see, that's Renex. Ours was supposed to be the other one, but the name was this, the number was same as on the ticket. We took 3 to 4 hours to reach Lisbon. How much I paid for this and where I booked the tickets is in the previous vlog, so do remember to check it out. We also had just one washroom break and 30 minutes before reaching Lisbon, where the driver got down immediately, went to pee and came back, and then he was rushing everybody. So remember to finish your business quickly. We took Bolt from the bus stop to reach Lisbon city center, have some food which was suggested by one of the friends that we met in Lagos, and Kunal and I have had our life's best pasta over here. The truffle sauce pasta is the one that you have to have, and I guarantee you with my life that it's going to be the best pasta you've ever eaten. And they cook the pizza here in front of you in the wooden fried pizza. And definitely my life's second best tiramisu. First was in Rome. Do remember to check out my Italy vlogs to see where it was, etc. This is the truffle sauce pasta. Trust me, it's going to be your life's best pasta. And we had this fresh and organic pizza, which, needless to say again, was also delicious. We also ordered some house wine. I hope you guys have found this video informative. If you have, then share this with your friends and family who are planning a trip to Portugal or probably Lagos, so that this makes things easier for them to plan. And also, I am headed to a lot more cities and lot more countries in the near future. For that, you'll have to hit the subscribe button to be updated about all this information which is difficult to get by. So do that right now.